One of our largest customers is a company called Roadrunner Freight. Actually sold them their first 2 forklifts way back in 1981 when they opened up their doors. They run them well over 3,000 hours per year in some locations. They've grown with us to the point where they've got over 250 units and 19 locations throughout the United States.
One is in the logistics, and they run several hundred trucks a year, and they run them anywhere between 20 to 25,000 hours.
We do a lot of work inside of the electronic distribution, and we have several major players that do it, and they always put on between 25 and 2,800 hours per year, again with the clamp, and so you do get excessive heat. They're going to run it at least 6 days a week, most likely 7 days a week, 3 shifts. And they know when we bring a UniCarriers in there that the forklift is going to do the job. It's not going to cause headaches with downtime or excessive cost of the upkeep. So it's an outstanding unit with low cost of ownership.
Our largest customer today operates thousands of UniCarriers forklifts. Most of their operations are 24/7 operations. And when they do their budget for equipment, they actually budget replacements not until they get to close to 20,000 hours. So they're running these trucks hard, and we're going 20, 24, 25,000 hours before we're replacing these trucks.